In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice mode in Shoom AI to create music with your own voice. Whether you want to personalize your AI generated songs, or you simply want to hear yourself featured in a fully produced track, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shoom AI app and navigate to the song creation section. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Your Voice. Make sure you select this option as it's different from the regular AI generated vocals feature. This is the setting that allows you to train the AI with your own voice. Next, tap on the option to add your voice. You'll be given two choices. You can either record directly inside the app or upload an existing audio file. If you choose to record, speak or sing clearly for about 30 to 40 seconds. If you're uploading a file, make sure it's under 10 megabytes and that the audio quality is clear. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully so your recording is captured properly. Once your recording is added, the app will begin training the AI using your voice sample. This step is important because it allows Shoom AI to learn your vocal tone, pitch, and characteristics. The better the recording quality, the better the final result will be. Wait for the training process to complete before moving on. After training is finished, you can now generate a song using your voice. Choose the style, genre, or mood you want for your track. Whether it's pop, hip hop, or something more relaxed, select the option that best fits your vision. Then start the generation process. The AI will combine your trained voice with AI generated instrumentals, produce a complete song. Once the song is ready, preview it carefully. Listen to make sure your voice is clear, aligned with the beat, and mixed well with the music. If you're satisfied, you can save or export the song for your projects. If not, you can re-record your voice, adjust the mood or genre, and generate again for a better result. It's also a good idea to record in a quiet space with minimal background noise. Try multiple takes if needed and experiment with different styles to see what works best for your voice. Taking these extra steps will help you get a more professional sounding final track. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create AI generated songs using your own voice in Shoom AI easily and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.